operation on binary numbers, addition of binary numbers. Now in this we have to first learn some rules for addition of binary numbers, then only we can operate addition of binary numbers. So the first rule is 0 plus 0 equal to 0. Second one, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Third one, 0 plus 1 equal to 1. And fourth one, 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 0. 1 plus 1 you may think that should be 2, but when you use the binary number system you will see that 2 is written as 1 0. So here we are writing 1 plus 1 as 1 0 with the base as 2 because it's binary number system and not 2. Now we'll learn how to add two binary numbers using these rules. So for that we'll go through some examples that will make it very, very clear. First one is add 9 plus 14 using binary number system. So 9 in binary number system can be written as 1001 with the base as 2 because it is binary number system. Similarly 14 can be written as 1110 with base as 2. Now we'll be adding 9 plus 14 using binary number system. So 9 is 1001 and below that we'll write 14, that is 111 and then 0. Add them by using the rule 1 plus 0 is 1. So we'll write here 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 1 and 1 plus 1 we have seen that is the fourth rule, that is 1 0. So this is the answer of 9 plus 14. So therefore we can say that 9 plus 14 in the decimal number system is equal to 10111 and this is the binary number system. So when we add 9 plus 14 in binary number system we will get 10111 with the base as 2. Now let us see whether our answer is correct or not, because in decimal number system we know that 9 plus 14 should be how much? 23. So that means 10111 should be how much? 23. So let us convert this binary number system, binary number in decimal number. So 10111 base is 2. Now we'll convert this into decimal number. So equal to, just mark the arrow towards the left. So first one will multiply, the first digit will multiply 2 raised to 0. So 2 raised to 0 into 1 plus next one is 2 raised to 1. So 2 raised to 1 into 1 plus then same way 2 raised to 2 into 1. Every time we'll increase the power of 2 plus 2 cube into, but this will multiply with 0. And the last one plus 2 raised to 4 into 1. Now 2 raised to 0, you know that any number raised to 0 is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1 plus 2. Here we will be getting plus 4 and this is 8, but 8 into 0 is 0 and 2 raised to 4 is 16. So plus 16. Adding them we will get 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22 and 22 plus 1 is 23. And also we know that 9 plus 14 is 23 only. So that means our answer is correct. Example 2. Add 59 plus 61 using binary number system. 59 in binary number form it is 111011 and 61 can be written as 111101. Now we have to add both the numbers. So in the exam suppose this is coming, then in that case you will have to find 59 with base 10 in binary form, that is here it is given 111011. This is already because to lessen the time we have written this one, but in exam this will not be given to you and you will have to do it on your own. That is already has been taught to you. So now we'll be just adding these two numbers, 59 plus 61. 59 plus 61, that is in decimal number form, and equal to, here this side will be writing the binary number system form. So that is 111 and 011 plus 111 and then 1 and then 0 and 1. Now we'll use the rules which we have learned. 1 plus 1, that is how much? 1 0. So 0 will come here and 1 will be carried from here. Now 1 plus 1 you add here, because that here we cannot write two digits, we'll write only one digit, and that 1 will be carried over. So 1 was already there and 1 more is this. 1 plus 1 is, we know that is 1 0. So 0 will come here and 1 will be carried from here. and 1 plus 1 is, again we know that it is how much, 1 0. So 0 will be here, 1 will be carried over. Now what is, add first these two. 1 plus 0 is how much, 1 plus 1 is 1 0, and 1 0 plus 1, so that will be 1, and 1 will be carried from here, because we will be getting here 1 plus 1 is 1 0 plus 1, so we will be getting 1 1. So 1 will be here and 1 will be carried further. Now 1 plus 1 is again 1 0, and 1 we have carried over from this earlier step, so we are getting here 1 1. So we will writing here 1, and 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 1 is 1 0 plus 1, so we will be getting 1 1. So this is the answer. So when you add 59 and 61, what you are going to get is 1 1 1, 4 times 1, then 3 times 0. So that is equal to 1 1 1 1 0 0 and 0 with base as 2. Now let us check whether this is correct or not. We'll just verify it, whether we are getting 59 plus 61, the total in the binomial system, correct or not. So we'll write this in decimal form. So 1 1 1, 1 is 4 times coming, then 3 zeros are there, the base is 2. So we'll mark arrow towards the left, equal to, now for decimal number system we know the method, so we'll be multiplying 2 raised to 0 with 0 plus 2 raised to 1 into 0 plus 2 raised to 2 into 0, then plus 2 raised to 3 into 1, then plus 2 raised to 4 into 1 plus 2 raised to 5 into 1, because how many times 1 is coming, 4 times, plus 2 raised to 6 into 1. So equal to 2 raised to 0 into 0, whatever it may be, it is 2 raised to 0 we know is 1, but here 1 into 0 will come 0. So this is 0, this is also 0, and the third is also 0. Now 2 cube into 1, that is plus 8. 2 raised to 4 into 1, that is 16. 2 raised to 5 is 32, and 2 raised to 6 is 64. Now let us add them. So what we add on getting on adding them, let's see what we get. 32 plus 8 is 40, and 40 plus 16 will be 56, and 56 plus 4, that is 60. 60 plus 6 is that will be getting here as 120. So the sum should be 120. Let us see, 59 plus 61, what we are getting, 120. So that means our answer is correct. So this is how we have to add two binary numbers. It's very simple. Whenever binary numbers are given, you have to add the rules, and if the numbers which is given to us, they are in decimal form, then you have to first convert them, like here, first convert them in binary form, and then add them by using the rules which already have been given to you. Example 3, add 125 and 70 using binary number system. Now solution for this, in questions the value of 125 is in decimal form will not be given in binary form, so you have to find it. For example, here the value has been written here, but it is directly written. In actual exam, when questions will be coming of this type to you, the value of 125 you will have to find. This is 125 in decimal form, you have to convert this into binary number form, and this 170 also. Why? Because what is the question? Add 125 and 70 using binary number system. So unless you convert 125 and 170 in binary number form, you cannot add them. So now we'll do the operation by using the rules which you already know. So 125 with base as 10 equal to, and when we are writing the numbers should be written always from left to right. So we'll write first this 1, then 0, and how many 1 are there? After that 5 1s are there. So 1 2 3 4 5, and same way here also for 170. So we'll start from the extreme right and moves towards the left. So here we are having 1 0, then 1 0, 1 0 and 1 0. Add them, put the plus sign. Now we'll add we'll be applying the rule which you know. 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1, that is 1 0. So 0 will be here and 1 will be carried over. And 1 plus 1 is, that is 1 0. So 0 will be here, 1 will be carried over. Then here we are having 1 plus 1 is 1 0, and 1 0 plus 1 is 1 1. So 1 will be here, 1 will be carried over. Then 1 plus 1 is 1 0. So 0 will write here, 1 will carry over. And 1 plus 1 is 1 0. So this is the addition of 125 and 170. This is 170 here, the base as 10. So when we are adding both the numbers, that is 125 and 170, the addition of the two numbers will be in by number system, that will be 100. Therefore we can write here 125 plus 170 in decimal form is equal to 100100111. This is in binary number. So when we add 125 and 170, the total is how much? The total is 100100111, and that is in binary number system. And you all will verify it whether this answer is correct or not by converting this binary number in decimal form. Example 4. Multiply 14 and 9 using binary number system. In all these kind of questions, the value of 14 and 9 will not be given in binary number form, because that you have to obtain. Here I have written, as we have already learned how to write a decimal number in binary number form. So in exam or wherever this question you have to solve, you will have to obtain the value of 14 and 9 or whatever numbers are given to you in the form of binary number. So right now 14, on obtaining the method, on using the method of binary number system, will be getting 14 as 1110 and the base is 2, and 9 it can be written in binary form as 1001 with base as 2. Now we'll learn how to multiply them using the rules of binary number multiplication. So it's very simple, we know the rules. So just we'll be writing here 14 into 9. What is 14? 14 is 1110 multiplied by 9. What is the value of 9? 1001. Now we'll do the multiplication. 1 into 0 we know is 0, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. So the first row is complete. Next one will take 0. So 0 will multiply with all the digits of the upper number. So 0 into, here put cross, then 0, like we do multiplication, same way you have to multiply. 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 0, 0 into 1 0, and 0 into 1 0. Now in third row we'll put first 2 cross and then we'll start doing the multiplication. 0 into 0, here all, because we are multiplying with 0, so all the digits will be getting here will be 0. Now we'll go in the fourth row. Fourth row we'll putting first 3 cross. Now we'll start with 1. 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1, and 1 into 1 is, that is we know 1 into 1 will be 1. So just write that. Now we'll do the addition work. So this is 0, this is 1, and this is 1, this is 1. Just you have to use the rules of binary number additions. So 0 plus 0 plus 1, that is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, and this 1. So this is the answer of 14 into 9, that is 14 into 9 is, in binary number form it will be equal to 14 into 9. This is in right now the numbers are in decimal form, so with on multiplication and using the binary number form, we'll be getting the answer as 1 1 1. 6 times 1 are coming, so 6 times we have written, and then 0, and then put here 2. 2 means the number is binary number, and you can verify it whether this is correct or not. So verification, let us check it out. When we multiply 14 and 9, what is the answer? 9 to 4 is 36, 3 carried over, 9 to 1 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 126. So our answer should be 126. So what we are going to do is, the binary number which we have got, we'll convert that in the form of decimal number and check whether our answer is correct or not. So verification is not necessary, but just to find out whether our answer is correct or not. So we'll be multiplying the first number, because whenever we are converting a binary number in decimal form, we have to move from right to left. So 0 into 2 raised to 0 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1, and every time we'll increase the power of 2. So next will be, and how many 1 are coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So till 6 will move. 1 into 2 square plus 1 into 2 cube plus 1 into 2 raised to 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to 5 plus 1 into 2 raised to 6. Now let us add them. So first one is 0, because 0 multiplied with 2 raised to 0 will give us 0, plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus 32 and plus 64. Now let us add them. So 8 plus 2 is 10, and 10 plus 16, that will give us 26. 26 plus 4 is 30. 30 plus 32, that is 62. 62 plus 4, 66, and 66 plus 6, that will give us 126. So the answer is 126. And also let us multiply 14 and 9. So 14 and 9, when we multiply 14 into 9, that is, you can see 9 into 4 is 36, 3 carried over. 9 into 1, 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. So 126, that is, we are getting the same answer. That means the binary number form which we have got on multiplying 14 and 9 is correct. So this is how you have to multiply two binary numbers. It's very, very simple. Just you have to remember the rule. The rule we have written here already, that is 1 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0, and 1 into 1 is 1. Then definitely you will get the answer as correct only. Example 5. Multiply 19 and 5 using binary number system. So 19, the number 19 in binary form is 10011 with base as 2, and 5 in binary number form is written as 101. So both the numbers you will have to find by the method of converting a decimal number into binary number form. So this will not be given in the question. This is what you have to find on your own. Now we'll learn how to multiply them. So multiplying is very, very simple. You have to just apply the rules of multiplication of binary numbers. So 1 into 1, first row will be doing 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, and 1 into 1 is 1. Then we'll go the second row. Just put first one cross, then since we are multiplying with 0, all the digits will become 0. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 digits, so we'll be putting just 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then in third row, first we'll put 2 cross, and then we'll take the digit. What is the digit? That is 1. So 1 will multiply with 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 0 is 0. Yes, 0, and 1 into 1 is 1. Now just we'll add the numbers. We know how to add binary numbers. So here 1 plus 0 is 1. And here 1 we are adding with the 0, so we'll be getting only 1. Here again 1, here 1, here 0, here 1. So the answer which we are getting is on multiplying 19 and 5, that is 1 0 1 1 1 1 1. So therefore we can say that 19 into 5, the base is 10, equal to 1 0 1 1 1 1. 4 times 1 is coming after 0, and 5 times. So 5 times, and we'll put the base as 2. Now let us check whether our answer is correct or not. We'll just verify it. How can you verify? By converting the binary number which you have got in decimal form. So you know the rule. Just mark arrow towards the left. So 1 0, and then 5 1 will be putting 3 4 5, and the base is 2, equal to, this is 2 raised to 0 into 1. Expanding this, that is trying to write this in the form of decimal number. So 2 raised to 1 into 1 plus 2 raised to 2 into 1, and there are 5 1s, so plus 2 cube into 1. So now one more 1 will take plus 2 raised to 4 into 1. Then plus 0 will multiply with 2 raised to 5, so 0 into 2 raised to 5, and the last one will multiply with 2 raised to 6. So now we simplify it. 2 raised to 0 is 1, so 1 into 1 is 1. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 cube is 8, then plus 16, and this is 0, plus 2 raised to 6 is 64. So 64. Now let us add them. 8 plus 2 is 10, We are adding these to 8 plus 2 is 10, then 16 plus 4 is 20, 20 plus 10 will be 30, and 30 plus 64 is 94, 94 plus 1 95. So the total is 95. And let us see whether on multiplying 19 and 5 we are getting the same or not. So 19 into 5. 5 into 9 is 45, 4 carried over 5 into 1 is 5, 5 plus 4, 95. So we are getting the same answer. That means then binary number which we have got 101111, that is our correct answer. So this is how you have to multiply two numbers in binary numbers